Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to set up face unlock on DOOGEE T40 Pro. Let's go. Okay guys, so all you need to do is you go to settings, then you scroll here to security and privacy, then you click device unlock, then you press face unlock, you enter your PIN, and then you click agree, and there will be camera scanning your face. Okay, let's do this. As you can see, let's press start, and I will see you in a bit. Okay, I have done it. Then you will just need, after you've done it, there will be a pop-up. You will need to click OK. It will say everything's good, everything's made, looking good, something like that. Okay, then let's test if it works. Okay, as you can see, the device unlocked. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.